Yo, what up guys? This is LordHighTheDadz from the DadzLife YouTube Channel, and you don't know, today is a very special day. Today, I just got my bag from Waterfly. Waterfly approached me and said that they'll be sending me a prototype bag from their new line. So today we just got it. We got the Waterfly Natu Shaolin Kung Fu Sport Backpack. It comes in blue, beige, and green. And as you can see, they sent me the beige color. So we're gonna get into it, and we're gonna give you our first impressions of the Waterfly Natu Shaolin Kung Fu Sport Backpack. So look out for it. Yeah, so guys, the bag is not just stylish, but it's incredibly practical. It has a 180-degree opening design so that packing, unpacking, and organizing is a literal breeze. No more digging around to try and find whatever item is in the bag. It's just easy to see all the items, and they are very accessible. As you can see, the bag is a unique design. Very stylish, very unique. I think it's one of the keepers on the market today. You can see they thought of everything. Now, the 180-degree opening design at the back allows you to get to everything as easy as you want it. And I can tell you, it's not just stylish. You see they thought of everything. It's very practical. Guys, this is one of those backpacks that I think you should check out. Now, let's talk about versatility. From your pens, to your wallets, to your card holders, to a tablet or even a laptop. There's a perfect pocket for each item within the bag. So it makes it easy to organize for any adventure. The quick release tab at the front makes it easy to go into the bag even if you're on the go. So I think they thought of everything. So guys, you have to look out for this bag. The Waterfly Natu Shaolin Kung Fu Sport Backpack. It's a keeper. So look out for it. And we would like to thank Waterfly especially for picking DadzLife YouTube Channel to do this unboxing and review, because it was a definite honor, and we'd love to collaborate with them again in the future. Thanks guys. Big up yourself. Boom.